Lamsugo haina haina on a study with the prasa YouTube the Facebook page. Forester the forest guard ni exam ni bagai noroni Tripura zikewo. Haina haiti ni take a step part video ti fayuka 300 MCQ part ni o video na sini 3 number video sika. Or sung 25 ta MCQ solve khailene very important abo norogni exam point of view bujikade. Fadinga singtiri nailena isini question number 51 1 to 50 already upload clear jak tini 51 to 75 sing solve khailena do. Fadinga tini first question Nirmahal was built by Nirmahal jesang water Nirmahal thathlaya da and Nirmahal place sabo by samjak was built by Nirmahal Palace. Bini right answer na sabtamo option C Bir Bikram Kishore Manik. Bini right option katamo Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. Second. Next questions nadi Nirmahal was built in the year. Nirmahal snamo Bir Bikram Kishore Manik do but bo shoro snamdak bo yaro snamdak sini Nirmahal. Bini right answer besok right answer option B 1938 to Nirmahal snamjao. Second. Next question. Next question number 53. The Knight Grand Cross of the Order of the British Empire was conferred upon Bo Tripurani Raja no the Knight Grand Cross of the Order of the British Empire ne kaisa upadi ya farjaka bo raja no rajaka na guide the Knight Grand Cross o upadi Tripurani bo bubagra no rajak bini right answer ngatamo Bir Bikram Kishore Manikano or Upadi Rajago. Shikade Bir Bikram Kishore Manikano. Option C bini right answer. Question number 54. Question number 54 on Aditamo. Who was the last king of Udaipur? The ancient capital of Tripura. Who reigned and died there. Bushikade Tripura ni last king sabo. Je raja Udaipur no bo sashon khaika tai Udaipur no thilanga a raja sabo. Last raja do bujigan Udaipur no sashon khaika Udaipur no thika apro Udaipur no sini capital tongmane Tripura ni bora jabo abo ongkha sabo question number 54 abo ongkha sabo sini Vijay Manikya 2 a uttor katamo Vijay Manikya 2 bujigada Vijay Manikya 2 sido abo no ta bini right answer na tamo sini Vijay Manikya 2 abo ongkha sini right answer bujigada Vijay Manikya 2 Vijay Manikya 2 ka bini right answer aron betano kasha pan ya abo typing mistake Vijay Manikya 2 buji kate bini right answer nai Vijay Manikya 2 question number 55 the scheme of Vidyapatnam was planned by Maharaja Vidyapatnam hani kasha scheme do sini Tripura no ekasha educational hub sanam na hani wan sumani of Vidyapatnam scheme abo bo bagara khailang mane scheme bini right answer ngatamo bini right answer tongo sini 55 ni bini right answer ngatamo Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya ka bini right answer sini Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya ka bini right answer of Vidyapatnam ni andar no sini tabung ni je MBB college bo sanam lang mane sika question number 56 to 90 who built the Bhuvneshwari temple in Tripura Bhuvneshwari temple. Who built Bhuvneshwari temple? Bini right answer ng tang na ba? Bhuvneshwari temple no sanam na yung kasaba? Sini Maharaja Govinda Manikya. Sige. Next question na ji. Next question na ila. From 1901 to 1905 and from 1907 to 1900 Umakanto Das was the minister of Maharaja. Omrong musungo Umakanto Das bo pubagrani minister bo tomani. Question number 57. Bo bubagra ni minister botong mani bo ka sini bubagra Radha Kishore Manikya ni minister tongla mani sigade bubagra Radha Kishore Manikya ni minister tongla mani bo bofurun chimi 1901 ni chimi 1905 tai 1907 ni chimi 1908 jora o sano bo o sono botama sini Radha Kishore Manikya ni bo tama tongla mani sini Radha Kishore Manikya ni মন্ত্রী tongla mani siga Umakanto Das abo 58 who was the last ruler or king of Tripura? Tripura last king sabo Tripura last ruler last king Tripura ni last king angka sabo sini Bir Bikram Kishore Manik. Bir Bikram Kishore Manik bo angka sini Tripura ni last bubagra paithak bubagra siga. Question number 59. Question number 59 nadi. During the Great Revolt of 1857, the king of Tripura was Jefro 1857 to bidroh angka India wo afro Tripura ni bubagra sabo tongmani. Afro Tripura ni bubagra sabo tongmani. Question number 59. Afro Tripura ni bubagra tongmani sini Ishan Chandra Manik afro sini Tripura ni bubagra tongmani Jefro 1957 to revolt ungo India wo siga. Next question, question number 60. The present name of Rangamati is Rangamati ni Bortoman bumung tamo. The present name of Rangamati tamo abo guys. Abo ni right answer ka tamo Udaipur. Buji kade Udaipur. Udaipur na agi tam hne sinijang mani Rangamati hne sinijang mani siga. Udaipur na agi tamo Rangamati hne sinijang mani siga. Next question number 61. Question number 61 I did the Jamatia revolt. Jamatia bidroh hne chalai deseng. Jamatia choba occurred in the year bo yaro ang Jamatia bidroh. Question number 61 right answer ang jama Jamatia bidroh ngo sini 1863 wo Jamatia bidroh ungo sika. Question number 62. Question number 62 again Najib Parikshit was the name of the leader. Parikshit bo choba ni bo revolt ni bo khoroksa leader tongmani Parikshit tongmani bo bidroh ni bo tongmani Jamatia revolt ni bo khoroksa tamo tongmani Jamatia revolt ni bo khoroksa sini senapati tongmani hai leader tongmani bo bujiga. Question number 63. Question number 63 na ditamo when did the Riyang revolt bujiga Riyang bidroh bufru ang ni seung kharbo Jamatia revolt on 1863 wongo bujiga angge Riyang bidroh ko bufru ang Jamatia revolt 1863 do Jamatia revolt bore Riyang bidroh bong ka angge Riyang bidroh bufru ang mani 63 ni right answer ang itamo 1942 ni sibi 1943 ozara wa Jamatia bidroh ang ka Tripura haste wo chigade Riyang sorry Riyang. During the Riyang revolt, Jefro Riyang revolt ngo 1942 থেকে 1943 the king of Tripura ras afro bubagra sabo Riyang bidroh ang pro sini Tripura haste wo bubagra sab tongmani bini right answer ang samo Bir Bikram bujga bini right answer na sini Bir Bikram bubagra Bir Bikram Kishore Manika azara wa bubagra tongmani Tripura haste ni sika. Question number next nadi tea plantation first comments in Tripura during the reign of bo bubagra ni amalo Tripura haste wo puila sa plantation khlaja khaile sa no kaile kha sa pata no bujiga bini right answer nai tamo bo bubagra ni amalo abako sini Birendra Kishore Manik ni amalo abo puila prothom bar tea plantation khajaga Tripura haste wo chigare. Question number 65. 65 on ID who among Tripura king who was invited by the US President Roosevelt Tripura ni bubagra ni bisungo bo bubagra sini US President Roosevelt by invite khlajak kha hanisung bini right answer ga tamo Bir Bikram Kishore Manik bujiga Bir Bikram Kishore Manik US President Roosevelt by US invite khlajak bujiga. Question number 67. Question number 67 tamonaji. Question number 67. The king of Tripura as Maharaja in Mukut, a drama written by Rabindranath Tagore was drama Rabindranath Tagore was a drama Mukuto Tripura ni bo bubagra ni bumung mention khlaijaga Mukut drama wo bo bubagra ni bumung mention khlaijaga hamale bini right answer ngai tamo sini Omor Manik ni bumung abini drama wo mention khlaijak tong siga. Question number 68. Question number 68. The Zamindari rights of Chakla Rashnabad was granted the Nawab of Bengal to the ruler of Tripura during the reign of bujiga da question bujiga sini Bangla Nawab by Chakla Rashnabad ni je Zamindari Tripura ni raja no je raja go afro bo raja tongmani 68 ni question answer ka apro sini tongmani dharma maniko tu raja tongpurno sini Chakla Rashnabad ni যে জমিদারি রাইটস abo Bangla Nawab by o dharma manik tu no yafari rezago zamindari rights bujigade. Question number 69 adi Rasmala a chronicle of the kings of Tripura was written under the king Rasmala je boy Tripura ni je itihas Manikyo dynasty ni a boy sejak puro saboni raja ni under o sejak bujigade. bo rajani undero abo swijaka bo rajani undero bini ingka tamo dharma manikoni dhanno dharma manikoni undero sorry dharma manikoni undero abo swijangmani bujika dharma manikko apro swilang bujika boni rajani amolo abo swijmani rasmala sika swijnai to boya to buita to bini rajani amolo swijago abo bujika the cannon that is placed at Kamanchomuni of Agartala was captured from the Hussein Shah. Kamanchomuni Agartala bonoro agirago kaman berejagnogo. Abo boboni ba bo raja abo Hussein Shahni thani shegi naragmani. Bujikade bo raja afro question number 17 right answer ang tanga apro raja sini dhanno maniko bujika dhanno maniko no Hussein Shahni thani afro juddho khlaidai ab ko kaman no shegi naragmani. Bujika question number 71. Question number 71. Which king of Tripura extended his patronage to the blind poet Ramprasad? বুঝিকাতে ত্রিপুরার কোন রাজ্য অন্ধ কবি রামপ্রসাদকে পৃষ্ঠপোষকতার প্রদান করেছিলেন? বুঝিকাতে বো কবি আবা আই বো রাজা বিনি রাইট আনসার কেতামো সিনি রাধাকিশোর মানিক ন মকল কানা কবি ন রামপ্রসাদ ন বতাম পৃষ্ঠপোষকতা প্রদান খাই বা রামকুশার বাই চুবা লাখাই বড় বুঝিকা প্যাট্রোনেজ রুখা বনো এরপরে নাইদি খাইনা নাইয়া এরপরে নাইদি 70 During the First World War, the king of Tripura was First World War Jefru ungo apro Tripurani raja sabo honu shungu. First World War Jefru ungo apro Tripurani raja angka sabo Birendra Kishore Manik. Bujika First World War Jefru ungo apro Tripurani raja angka sabo Birendra Kishore Manik. Question number 74. Pushpabant Palace was built during the reign of which king? Pushpabant Palace senamjak puro bo raja puro rajotto khai ba bo raja ne amolot Pushpabant Palace senamjak kha. Question number 74 bini right answer ka afuro sini raja tongo sini Birendra Kishore Manik afuro tongo sabo sini Birendra Kishore Manik bubagra tonglamone afuro sika. Question number 75. Question number 75 na ditam Raj Bhavan ba Governor House at Agartala is known as Governor House at Agartala tam honi sinijang mani Governor House at Agartala sinijang mani sini Pushpabant Palace hani agini old Governor House sika old Governor House tongona ba sika aba tam honi Pushpabant Palace hani sinijang aba sika ga babsong tini no bagai ashuk no norong no 300 MCQ video ni series Tripurani aboni amo third class और संग 25 टा क्वेश्चन न सॉल्व खाइले क्या बुझिगा 25 टा क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यूज न संग सॉल्व खाइले क्या नाइ लेख्या ताइ तेबो इम्पोर्टेन्ट एमसीक्यूज नरनि थानि तुइ दङ आबुनि बागै नरक नाइ दंनि नेक्स्ट पार्ट अवश्य संतु बनाइ गेतिनि बागै आशक न हामबाय